So that's really an interesting business model and a truly international business model, as you explained. So I guess that also means you have to deal with a lot of developments and changes in your business environment. Can you say something about the type and the kind of developments that are impacting your business model?
Yeah. I still think the main important impact, which is not really an impact, is the conservativeness of the industry. The container now exists almost 60 years. And if you look to the design, nothing has happened since these 60 years.
Okay. Yeah.
Of course, there are different sizes, so that's an innovation, but yeah, it's not really an innovation, of course. One example which shows how slow the industry is with innovation is, for example, RFID. They still don't implement it in their boxes, while other industries, they use it already for 15 years, I think. I think the industry itself at the moment is really going really worse. So they don't earn money, so to say.
Okay.
Last year, one of the biggest shipping lines, Hanjin, number 5 in the world, was bankrupt.
Okay.
So then nothing happened in the market. So there was a huge overcapacity. You take out one of the biggest shipping lines, which has over 500,000 containers in the street, and nothing happens. Okay. So still the rates are too low. Still everybody is bleeding money on the street, so to say. Yeah. What additional to that is that if you look to the manufacturers, because that has also influence on that, it's by the way a positive influence for us, is that the production number is lower, but they used to do. So normally they produce 3 million containers a year, and at the moment it's only 1 million.
Right. Okay.
And while they are able to build 6 million, so it's a bit the Chinese way of preparing such building. But for us that's good, because now they do have time for such innovations like us. They do have time to invest in that. Okay. And what's more important, they do have time on the production line to produce our container. So
there are sort of economical factors, like the market and production factors that you mentioned.
And one more thing on that is that manufacturers, basically because of this competition and this low production volume, don't earn anything on standard boxes anymore at the moment. Okay. So maybe $1 or $2 a box, that's nothing, of course. Yeah. And with our product, they can still earn a normal margin.
Okay.
So that makes them also more happy with that.
Yeah. Okay, that's interesting how this sort of impacts your business. Do you also see changes from let's say environmental perspective?
Yeah. I think you do know the CO2 certificates in other industries. I think the shipping industry was just said, okay, we don't look at you, you can do what you want, basically. On environmental impact, shipping lines don't care at all, basically. Okay. They do have their environmental reports, but that's just for the shareholders. And like I said with the CO2 certificates, I think it's just a matter of time when also shipping industry will come down. So, but that can take 10 more years. That's not something which is...
Okay, well, thank you for your insights, Simon, about the business model of HCI and also about the environment in which your business model is working and maybe needs to change. In the next video, we'll talk again with Simon and then discuss in more detail the business model stress test that Simon did for HCI. For now, thanks for watching and good luck with your assignment.